What if I told you you could make a viral YouTube video, the kind that explodes overnight and gets millions of views without ever needing a camera? What if you could skip the hassle of recording your own voice, no more mic fright or awkward takes? And what if you could completely bypass the time-consuming and often frustrating process of editing everything yourself? Imagine creating compelling content without any of the traditional barriers. Now, picture this. Real creators just like you are doing it right now. Check out these analytics. Videos made with AI tools are blowing up, and some have gone from 0 to 1 million views in days. What would you do if your next upload went viral overnight? Sounds fake, right? Too good to be true, maybe even a little bit scammy? I get it, I'd be skeptical too, but trust me on this one. Watch this. Drop a comment below if you've ever felt stuck or overwhelmed by the tech side of YouTube. I want to know, what's your biggest challenge? Let's help each other out. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make professional, viral-worthy YouTube videos using only AI, no gear, no studio, no talking. We're talking about leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to create engaging content from scratch. Forget about expensive equipment or learning complex editing software. This is about working smarter, not harder. Here's a quick tip. Start with a trending idea. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 viral YouTube video titles in my niche." Instantly, you'll get a list of hot topics people are searching for right now. Whether you're shy on camera or just want to scale faceless content, this video will blow your mind. Maybe you've always dreamed of being a YouTuber, but the thought of being on camera terrifies you. Or perhaps you're already creating content but struggling to keep up with the demands of a consistent upload schedule. Whatever your reason, this method will change the way you think about content creation. Real example, I asked ChatGPT for 10 viral tech video ideas. Here's what I got. Look at these. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments. Start with an idea. The foundation of any great video is a compelling concept. I use ChatGPT to generate trending video titles in your niche. This is about finding topics that people are already searching for and interested in. Action step. Pause this video, try it yourself, and share your favorite title in the comments. Let's see who comes up with the most creative idea. Example. Prompt. Give me 10 viral YouTube video titles in the tech or money niche. Be specific with your prompts to get the best results. The more information you give ChatGPT, the better it can tailor its suggestions to your needs. Let's walk through a real example. Open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 viral YouTube video titles in the tech niche." Instantly, you'll get a list of trending ideas. Pick one that excites you. Boom, done in 10 seconds. Pick one and move on. Don't overthink it. Choose a title that resonates with you and that you think you can create interesting content around. The goal is to get the ball rolling. Next, I feed that title back into ChatGPT and ask it to write a full YouTube script in storytelling format, 3-5 minutes long. This is where the magic really starts to happen. A well-written script is crucial for keeping your audience engaged. Pro tip, ask ChatGPT to make it sound like Mr. Beast meets Kurzgesagt for a fun, engaging script. Try different styles until you find your channel's unique voice. Now copy your chosen title and ask ChatGPT. Write a YouTube script for this title, 3-5 minutes, engaging and story-driven. Watch as it generates a full script you can use right away. You can customize tone, pacing, or add hooks. Want a more upbeat and energetic vibe? Tell ChatGPT to write the script in a fast-paced, exciting style. Need to grab the viewer's attention right from the start? Ask it to include a compelling hook in the introduction. Want it more human? Make it sound like Mr. Beast meets Kurzgesagt. This will inject personality and make the script more relatable to your audience. Experiment with different styles and find what works best for your channel. Now let's turn that script into audio. I paste it into ElevenLabs, choose a voice that fits the mood, and it generates the full voiceover in seconds. This is where your script comes to life. ElevenLabs offers a wide range of AI voices to choose from, so you can find the perfect one to match your content. For the voiceover, go to ElevenLabs, paste your script and select a voice. Click Generate, and in seconds you'll have a professional-sounding narration ready to use. Don't like the voice? You can tweak pitch, speed, or even clone your own. Fine-tune the voice to get it exactly how you want it. Experiment with different settings until you're happy with the result. You can even create a custom AI voice that sounds just like you. Here's where the visuals come in. You've got 3 options. Each of these tools offers a unique approach to generating visuals from text, so choose the one that best suits your needs and creative vision. Pictory.ai turns scripts into video with auto-selected B-roll and subtitles. This is a great option for creating videos quickly and easily. Pictory.ai automatically selects relevant B-roll footage to match your script, saving you hours of searching for visuals. Runway ML Gen 2. Generate custom scenes from text prompts. If you want more control over the visuals, Runway ML Gen 2 allows you to create completely custom scenes by simply typing in a description. ElevenLabs creates cinematic clips or animations from text. ElevenLabs is perfect for creating eye-catching animated clips to add visual flair to your videos. I mix all three to match scenes with the script, no filming required. By combining the strengths of each tool, you can create truly unique and engaging videos. Drop the voice and video into Descript or Wisecut. These tools will auto-sync the voice with visuals, remove silences, add music, and generate clean subtitles. These AI-powered editing tools streamline the post-production process, making it faster and easier than ever to create professional-quality videos. Next, open Descript, import your audio and video files, and let the software auto-sync everything. You can easily cut silences, add music, and export your finished video in minutes. Editing used to take 4 hours, now it takes 4 minutes. That's a massive time saving, allowing you to focus on creating more content and growing your channel. Thumbnails matter. I use MidJourney or Leonardo AI to create scroll-stopping art. Your thumbnail is the first thing people see, so it needs to be eye-catching and attention-grabbing. Example prompt. A glowing robot editing a YouTube video in a neon-lit room, cinematic, ultra-detailed. The more detailed your prompt, the better the results. Experiment with different styles and compositions to find what works best for your channel. Add bold text with Canva, and you're done. Canva makes it easy to add text overlays and other design elements to your thumbnails, making them even more visually appealing. Finally, for your thumbnail, go to Canva. Choose a YouTube thumbnail template, add your title and images, and download. A great thumbnail can double your clicks. For title and description optimization, ask ChatGPT. Rewrite this title for max CTR plus SEO. Optimizing your title and description is crucial for getting your video discovered on YouTube. Let's look at the final result. Show 20-30 seconds of the full AI-made video created entirely by AI tools. See how seamless and professional it looks? You'd never know it was made entirely by AI. This video you're watching was made 100% by AI, voice, visuals, edit, and upload. From start to finish, every aspect of this video was created using artificial intelligence. Not bad for 0 cameras and 0 microphones, right? It's amazing what you can achieve with the power of AI. This works great if this method is particularly well suited for certain types of creators. A beginner with no gear, a faceless channel creator, scaling content production, or just camera shy. You don't need to be a filmmaker anymore. Just smart with the right tools. The traditional barriers to entry for content creation are crumbling. Want to build a faceless channel like this? I've created a full guide and tool stack, link in the description. This guide will walk you through the entire process, step by step, and provide you with a list of the best AI tools to use. Hit like if this inspired you, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and comment if you want a full tutorial on any of the tools I used. Your support helps me create more content like this. Comment your niche and I'll generate 3 AI titles for you. Subscribe for weekly AI content drops. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to leverage the power of AI for content creation.